1. 1950 Ford Coupe. Price: $7,000. Located Greenville, Texas. This 1950 Ford Coupe represents a solid foundation for anyone looking to own a true classic American car with character and potential. Finished in a deep burgundy exterior paired with a red interior, this coupe carries the timeless post-war styling that made early Ford models so desirable among collectors and hot rod enthusiasts. The vehicle shows 1,000 miles driven, indicating limited recent use, and it is equipped with an automatic transmission that makes it comfortable and easy to drive compared to many manual classics from the same era. Under the hood, this Ford is powered by a 400 Pontiac engine and transmission, offering a notable upgrade over original factory power and giving the car a stronger, more confident presence on the road. The gasoline-powered setup provides classic V8 performance while still maintaining a traditional American muscle feel. According to the seller, the car runs but does require some attention, including brakes, a water pump gasket, and possible front spring work. These needs are described as manageable and not major, making this an approachable project rather than an overwhelming restoration. Overall, this 1950 Ford Coupe is ideal for a buyer who wants an affordable entry into classic cars, whether to restore, customize, or enjoy as a vintage cruiser. With its upgraded drivetrain, attractive color combination, and honest condition, it offers both charm and opportunity for the next owner. 2. 1956 Chevrolet two-door post hot rod. Price: $23,500. Located Mesquite, Texas. This 1956 Chevrolet two-door post hot rod is a classic Tri-5 Chevy that offers timeless style combined with dependable street performance. Finished with a laser-straight body, this car features a striking black cherry paint finish highlighted by subtle ghost flames that elevate its hot rod presence without being overdone. The exterior is complemented by California one-piece bumpers, a billet grille, and solid glass throughout, maintaining a clean and aggressive profile. Power comes from a crate 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The drivetrain runs strong, sounds excellent through Flowmaster dual exhaust, and delivers reliable performance for cruising or local shows. Inside, the car features 1969 Chevelle bucket seats, a ratchet shifter, working aftermarket gauges including a tachometer, and a stereo discreetly mounted in the glove box. The headliner, carpet, seats, and door panels are all in great condition, reflecting careful upkeep. The chassis is solid, with strong floors, floor supports, and inner and outer rockers. Tires are approximately 85%, and the chrome wheels remain in very nice condition. While it does not have heat or air conditioning, the car runs and drives as it should, making it an excellent entry-level Tri-5 that can be enjoyed immediately with room for personal upgrades. 3. 1983 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan. Price: $5,500. Located Spring, Texas. This 1983 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan represents a true full-size American cruiser with undeniable road presence. Powered by a 5.7L V8 engine, this big-body Chevrolet delivers strong performance and smooth highway manners that made the Caprice a legend in its era. With 85,000 miles shown, the car remains a solid example of early 1980s American engineering. Finished in green with a brown interior, this Caprice maintains a classic and authentic appearance that appeals to enthusiasts who appreciate original styling. The automatic transmission provides relaxed driving, making it ideal for daily cruising, weekend drives, or future customization. According to the seller, the vehicle runs and drives well, with a strong motor that performs as expected. This Caprice comes with a clean title in hand and is described as a good starting point for anyone looking to enjoy a classic as is or build it into something more personalized. Its large body, wide stance, and unmistakable Chevrolet design make it stand out among modern vehicles. Whether you are looking for a comfortable vintage cruiser or a platform for a mild restomod, this Caprice offers value, character, and presence at an accessible price point. 4. 1949 Plymouth Coupe Custom Build. Price: $60,000. Located Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This 1949 Plymouth Coupe is a professionally built custom classic with extensive investment and craftsmanship throughout. Featuring an all-metal body, this car retains its 1949 chassis upgraded with a Mustang front clip, combined with 1951 Plymouth fenders and hood to create a unique and refined custom look. The exterior is finished in a bold orange color, paired with a tan full leather interior that includes leather-wrapped floors. Powering this Plymouth is a 392 Hemi engine equipped with Sniper EFI, delivering modern reliability with legendary muscle. The engine is paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, offering smooth shifting and highway comfort. Air suspension allows adjustable ride height, while air conditioning ensures year-round drivability. A high-end sound system has been installed, with thousands invested in audio components. The seller notes nearly $200,000 in receipts from the original build, reflecting the level of detail and quality throughout the vehicle. Additional wheel options include Colorado custom wheels as well as hubcaps with wide white tires. After 2 years of refinement transitioning from show car to street-ready cruiser, this Plymouth runs and drives very well, making it an exceptional turnkey custom classic. 5. 1975 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Classic Sedan. Price: $5,000. Located Seguin, Texas. This 1975 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Classic Sedan is a beautiful example of a mid-1970s American classic that has been well cared for and thoughtfully maintained. Finished in a matching green exterior and interior, this four-door Malibu offers a clean and elegant appearance that reflects its garage-kept history. With 75,869 miles shown, this vehicle still has plenty of life left and is ready to be enjoyed on the road. Under the hood sits a 350 V8 5.7-liter engine with low mileage, paired with an automatic transmission for smooth and comfortable driving. Recent maintenance includes a new air filter, battery, starter, radiator, hoses, and a fresh oil change. The fuel system was also inspected with the gas tank dropped and the filter replaced, adding peace of mind for the next owner. This Malibu retains many original features, including the factory AM radio, working wipers, fully functional lights, and power accessories such as windows that roll up and down smoothly. Both heat and air conditioning are operational, making it a practical classic for everyday cruising. With no rust reported, a clean title, and a recent appraisal completed, this Chevelle Malibu stands out as a solid, honest classic sedan that delivers comfort, reliability, and timeless Chevrolet style. 6. 1983 Chevrolet Malibu Classic Wagon. Price: $5,678. Located Royse City, Texas. This 1983 Chevrolet Malibu Classic Wagon is a clean and well-built classic that blends practicality with performance upgrades. Showing 42,123 miles, this Malibu wagon presents very well both inside and out, making it a standout among vintage family-style vehicles. Finished in brown with a matching brown interior, it maintains a cohesive and period-correct appearance. Power comes from a built small-block Chevrolet engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The drivetrain is supported by a 12-bolt Posey rear end, giving this wagon impressive traction and performance potential compared to stock examples. The vehicle is described as very clean, with a well-kept interior and numerous aftermarket upgrades already completed. This Malibu wagon is turnkey and ready to drive home, making it ideal for someone who wants a classic they can immediately enjoy without major work. The seller notes that many new parts have been installed, along with upgraded wheels and tires, reflecting a significant investment. A clear title is included, and the car has been maintained with care. Classic wagons have become increasingly desirable, and this example offers a rare combination of performance, cleanliness, and usability. Whether used as a cruiser, show car, or sleeper-style build, this Malibu Classic wagon provides character, value, and versatility. 7. 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Price: $16,575. Located Dallas, Texas. This 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass is a true classic muscle-era car offering strong performance potential and unmistakable Oldsmobile styling. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this Cutlass delivers a bold and aggressive appearance that still turns heads today. With 153,658 miles shown, the car remains a solid driver with room for further improvement. The vehicle is powered by a 5.3-liter LS engine paired with a stock automatic transmission. It runs and drives, providing modern V8 reliability within a classic muscle car platform. While the car does require some attention, including a fuel pump replacement, a minor transmission leak, interior updates, and air conditioning repairs, it remains a strong foundation for a street build or restomod project. The seller includes extra parts with the sale, adding value and flexibility for the next owner. A clean blue title is in hand, and a running video has been provided, demonstrating the car's operational condition. This Cutlass is well suited for enthusiasts who want a classic muscle car with modern power and are willing to finish the final details. Overall, it represents an honest and appealing opportunity in the vintage muscle car market. 8. 1974 Dodge Charger Sedan. Price: $18,000. Located Kaufman, Texas. This 1974 Dodge Charger sedan is a bold and powerful classic that delivers unmistakable Mopar presence on the road. Finished in black, this Charger attracts attention wherever it goes and is often met with compliments and photo requests. With 100,000 miles shown, the car remains a strong running driver that blends classic styling with serious performance upgrades. Under the hood sits a 440 big block engine, providing impressive power and torque that makes this Charger feel like a true muscle-era machine. The engine has been upgraded with a Phytech Sniper fuel injection system, maintaining the look of a carburetor while offering improved reliability and drivability. Additional upgrades include an MSD ignition system, a new 650 carburetor, and a new alternator, all professionally installed by a classic car mechanic. The interior has received attention as well, with a new headliner, new seatbelts, and new factory color nutmeg carpet. A high-quality $1,700 stereo system enhances the driving experience. While the car runs and drives great, it does require minor finishing items such as reconnecting the air conditioning and heat, repairing a few tail light wires, and addressing small rips in the front seats. With a clean title in hand, this Charger offers power, style, and strong street presence. 9. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe. Price: $45,000. Located Greenville, Texas. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe is an iconic first-generation muscle car that represents the golden era of American performance. Finished in white with black body stripes and a black deluxe interior, this Camaro offers a timeless and aggressive appearance. Showing just 300 miles, this car has been carefully preserved and presents exceptionally well. Power comes from a NOM 327 cubic inch V8 producing 275 horsepower, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission for an authentic driving experience. The Rally Sport package includes hideaway headlights, adding to the car's desirability and classic appeal. Additional factory features include power steering, factory air conditioning, a center console with gauge pack and Hurst shifter, and a factory AM radio. This Camaro is equipped with a 10-bolt rear end and dual exhaust, delivering a balanced combination of performance and drivability. Original hubcaps and a vinyl roof further enhance its period-correct styling. Inside, the black deluxe interior includes factory seat belts, offering both comfort and safety. This RS Camaro is a true collector-grade example that captures the spirit of late 1960s Chevrolet performance and remains one of the most sought-after muscle cars ever produced. 10. 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Price: $15,000. Located Fort Worth, Texas. This 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a classic second-generation muscle car that blends vintage design with modern performance upgrades. Finished in brown with a tan interior, this Camaro offers a unique and period-correct color combination that stands out among its peers. With just 12,345 miles shown, the vehicle presents as a lightly driven and well-maintained example. Under the hood is a Summit 350 small block engine that delivers strong and reliable performance. Paired with a manual transmission, this Camaro provides an engaging driving experience that appeals to true enthusiasts. The car runs well and is ready to be enjoyed immediately, with no major mechanical issues reported. The seller notes openness to trades but emphasizes that the car is not being rushed to sell, as it is in solid condition. This Camaro is well suited for collectors or drivers seeking a classic muscle car with personality and performance. Whether used for weekend cruising, car shows, or light performance driving, this 1981 Camaro Coupe offers style, sound, and authentic American muscle appeal in a desirable and increasingly collectible platform.